Hello and welcome to this fifth video. So today what I want to show you is how to use Kosmik as a multiplayer system. So everything we've seen up until now is mainly for you as a user. But what if you want to use Kosmik with your classmates, colleagues, or organization? Well, you have several means to do so. If you want to share several universes in bulk, you can invite people directly at the workspace level. The workspace is that first section in your sidebar. Click on it. Click on the settings and you'll be able to update the name, for example, or if you click on members, you can invite or manage the permissions of people in the workspace. Right now I'm alone, but if I type the email of someone, I'm going to invite that person to join me in the workspace and they'll get access to all those universes. That's very handy if you want to share Kosmik with your whole organization, class, or with a bunch of people, and you want to make sure that they'll always get access to everything you will create in that workspace. Keep in mind that you can always create new workspaces. You can have as many workspaces as you want. You can have as many universes per workspace in Kosmik, and you can choose who gets access to which workspace. If you want to only share one universe, which can be handy, you can just click on the share button here and invite someone through that text field here, and once they get that invite and they confirm it and they join, they would get access only to that universe and they'll appear as guests in your workspace settings, and from there you can choose whether or not you want to give them access to something else in the workspace. You can also be invited as a guest. And finally, another thing you can do is click on the publish, and here that universe is already public, so I can go to another one, click on share, click on publish, and send that link to anyone you'd want to be able to browse that universe. Very, very convenient. It's a read-only option, so it's really more to kind of display your universe. And there's one option that is quite handy. Click here, toggle it on, and people can duplicate your universe as a template in their own account and workspaces. So those are the three means of sharing in Kosmik right now. Workspace level, give access to the whole sidebar, every universe in the workspace. Universe level, allow people to edit that universe with you and only that universe. Publish that universe, allow people to see that universe, browse that universe, and maybe duplicate it if you allow them to do so. So thank you so much for having watched those 5 videos. Please give us feedback on the app. Reach us at any time, either on hello@kosmik.app by email, our Discord server, Reddit, Twitter. We're always open to hearing your ideas, critics, and also, we are here if you need anything. So thank you so much and see you soon. Bye.